Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to change your brake pads wear sensor on your BMW Z3. Okay, so first, if you're like me, I'm very impatient, this was the old cable that was in it, and I was doing my brake and I yanked it thinking that I can just pull it, but when I did that it broke, and that's what happened. So I'm going to show you very quick on how to replace this cable and what tools you need. All right, first you need this the brake pads wear sensor. It was $10.99 in O'Reilly. Take the driver's side tire off so we can access the cable, and you'll need to lift the car, and I'm using a low profile jack because it's a lower car, so make sure you have a jack that fits. So let's go get this tire off, because if it doesn't want to come out, you just hit it or kick it, whatever you want. Now I gotta make sure I'm looking at the right stuff. So here, the cable, let me see if I could show this better with the camera. The cable that we took goes in here. See, this was closed, I opened it, and then it just ran through here, and it went in through here, and then in here. So let's go get the cable. This is where we're gonna plug it in. This was closed, so here's the cable. This part we're gonna plug it in to this other cable, and all you gotta do, make sure that you can see it, all you gotta do is just, I'm assuming it's just push it in. There you go. And then this is just gonna have this pocket to sit in there, and then you can go ahead, well, before doing that, make sure this is right here in place, nice and neat. See, now you see it's all nice and neat there. Now you see this metal thing right here, you find, and the cable has a little groove where it could go through, so you go right behind it, push this rubber through a spot to, it can sit right there nice and neat. And then there's these rubber things where you follow that other line, and then through here, this where the nipple goes is where at the end you're gonna put it there safely. So I'm gonna put this at the end just so I can get the cable in the brake pad first. So let's see if I can see this for you guys. I'm gonna use my phone for reference. Okay, so if you know your brake pads, one is out here, one is in. This goes, the cable goes in the inner, and you're gonna see that inside of the pad there's a little groove, which I'm gonna try to record with my phone to show you better, and that's where this thing is gonna go. I'm gonna show you very fast. Okay, that inner one, so you can see that this is where that's gonna go, inside that. And the way it goes, I believe, is like, let's figure it out, one way or the other. Let's see. There you go, just like that. That extra piece of plastic looking towards you, and that's all you do. Let's put it in there. And now that that's in, we're gonna put, like I said, this cable through the nipple here. That's what's gonna hold it in place, and then through where this other cable goes through, it stays in there. So you can see you have your cable secured in the pad. Now you can put your tire back on, and that's how you change your brake pad wear sensor on your BMW Z3. Now if you like this kind of content, make sure you like, subscribe, let me know in the comments. So just subscribe if you want to see more projects with the Z3 or with the motorcycles we have, and maybe some preventative maintenance on the machine. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.